Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your YouTube videos using AI, and yes, how you can make money doing it. From choosing a topic that hooks your audience to creating a professional voiceover, editing stunning stock footage, designing eye-catching thumbnails, and adding the perfect background music, we're covering it all. By the end of this video, you'll know how to fully automate your YouTube workflow. No filming, no showing your face, and still create high-quality content that gets views and earns revenue. So, without wasting any time, let's jump in and start automating your YouTube videos with AI. Step 1. Choose a high-impact topic. First, you need a winning topic for your channel. The key? Stick to evergreen niches. These are proven to get consistent interest over time. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, bring your unique spin to a niche that already works. Some high-performing niches include finance tech motivation, ancient history murder, mysteries business stories. To grow faster, target low competition, high search keywords. Tools like Google Trends or checking out other successful faceless YouTube channels can help spark ideas. For this video, I'm choosing the motivation niche. I'll head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate some motivational topic ideas. Once I have a topic I like, I'll get ChatGPT to write a compelling script, which you can tweak to match your voice and style. Step 2. Generate a voiceover with AI. Now let's bring that script to life. There are many AI voiceover tools available, like 11 Labs, Lovoplay.ht Clipchamp. In this video, I'm using 11 Labs. I test a few voices and eventually pick one that matches the tone and energy of my content. When choosing a voice, think about your audience. Do you want a male or female voice? Should it sound friendly, serious, professional, or energetic? Experiment until you find the one that clicks with your message. Step 3. Find and edit. Stock footage. Now that we've got our voiceover, it's time to add visuals. You can get high-quality stock footage from sites like Pixabay, Pexels, FreePic, Envato Elements, Storyblocks, ArtGrid Motion Array. Choose clips that match the mood and message of your video. For example, use cityscapes or financial imagery for business topics, or dramatic landscapes for motivation. Pro tip: save your favorite clips in folders. Reusing them speeds up your editing process and keeps your visuals consistent. Step 4. Video editing magic time to put everything together. Use editing tools like CapCut, great for beginners, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve Final Cut. Pro-sync your visuals to your voiceover. Add zoom-ins, pans, transitions, and text overlays to keep your video dynamic and engaging. Keep your cuts short and punchy to hold your audience's attention. Remember, retention is key. Step 5. Create a click-worthy thumbnail. This is your video's first impression. Make it count. Look at thumbnails from channels in your niche. See what works. Use bold text, high-contrast colors, and emotional imagery to grab attention. With tools like Canva or even ChatGPT, with image plugins, creating thumbnails is now easier than ever. Want a full tutorial on creating stunning thumbnails fast? Drop a comment below, and I'll make that happen. Step 6. Add background music and sound effects. A great video needs great sound. Start with YouTube's free audio library. There's a ton of royalty-free background music there. For even more variety, check out Epidemic Sound Soundtrack Artlist. Choose music that fits your video's mood and sprinkle in sound effects to emphasize key moments or transitions. This adds energy and polish to your final video. Let's go ahead and add that audio now. Final thoughts. And there you have it. From idea to upload, you now have the tools to automate your YouTube videos with AI and potentially build a passive income stream along the way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and comment below with what you'd like to see next. Let's get creating and keep automating. See you in the next one.